भारत की रानी और भारत की देवी को प्रणाम करते हुए, अपने श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करते हुए हमारे प्रिय
Mr. Narendra Modi, who has arrived in Bhopal to participate in the 300th birth anniversary celebrations of Ahilyabai Holkar, and during the event he will be inaugurating a slew of projects as well as a big infrastructure and development push that the Prime Minister will be holding in this key event, that currently him sitting on stage facing a large crowd that is now gathered at the Jamburi ground in Bhopal ahead of the Prime Minister's address that we are looking at for Devi Ahilyabai Mahila Sashakti-Karan Mahasammelan that is taking place. The event that is now being held as on stage, you can see is sitting alongside, as far as the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister also is concerned. The Prime Minister is now attending this event with over 2 lakh women are said to be in attendance, where he will also be inaugurating the metro's first 6-kilometer stretch in Indore, in Satna and in Datia Airport. And then he will be also laying the foundation for key infrastructure projects, including 30 kilometers of ghats along the Shipra River and other water resource development that totals over 800 crores. He will also be releasing a postage stamp and a 300 rupee coin, the first of its kind in the world, dedicated to Devi Ahilyabai, and will be also presenting the National Devi Ahilyabai Award to a woman artist as well. गोविंद हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़े हुए हैं। गोविंद, जैसे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी भोपाल में लैंड हुए, तो बताइए कि क्या-क्या कार्यक्रमों में उन्होंने हिस्सा लिया, और अभी वो स्टेज पे तो नजर आ ही रहे, हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि कब वो अपना एड्रेस शुरू करेंगे।
यहाँ स्वागत करें एक
गोविंद,
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को भेंट की जा रही है। ये देवी अहिल्याबाई होलकर जी का भव्य चित्र है जो
So just getting Govind connected with us, but we are looking at the mega women empowerment conference taking place, marking the 300th birth anniversary of Ahilyabai Holkar, as this event that is now taking place on part of the state BJP government as well, to showcase the governance skills as well as the works of the legendary queen of the Holkar dynasty as well. Multiple women there, what is being said in lakhs, that are now being also attending this event, as the Prime Minister is now being felicitated. Pragya is also connected with us right now. Well, Pragya, the women empowerment message that is now going across as far as the Prime Minister currently, who is being felicitated on stage, with regards to today's program, please.
अब हमारे माननीय खजाव के सांसद एवं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष श्री वी.डी. शर्मा जी से
Well, he is paying his tributes to Ahilyabai Holkar as well, the 18th century ruler of the erstwhile state of princely state of Malwa in Madhya Pradesh. And these campaigns that have been taking place on part of the state BJP government as well, that is actually showcasing the skills as well as the works of the legendary queen of the Holkar dynasty. Pragya, are you connected with us?
उसके लिए भी विशेष रूप से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत धन्यवाद।
Well, roadshow is also something that the Prime Minister also participated, but this is where Indore now gets the first metro train. Remember, Indore is the country's cleanest city, and the Prime Minister flags off the inaugural run during his visit to Bhopal for this Women Empowerment Conference on the 300th birth anniversary of Devi Ahilyabai. Thereafter, the Prime Minister also inaugurating the Satna and the Datia airports and laying the foundation stone on the construction of the ghats on river Shipra, and also what is being said, the transfer of the first installment of over 1,000 new Panchayat Bhavans as well. The Prime Minister also releasing a postage stamp and a 35-gram coin dedicated to Lokmata Devi Ahilyabai, and this is going to be the first such coin of a 300 rupee denomination that is being released in the world. The Prime Minister there, as you can see, attending this event, and the Chief Minister already has called it as a historic day for the state of Madhya Pradesh. So over 150 years that the Holkars ruled and initiated construction of the Indore's first railway line, and it had given the citizens a hassle-free commute across the historic city, and this is the gift now the Prime Minister is giving to the people, but especially when we speak of women there, also post the success of Operation Sindoor. We've seen the Prime Minister who has been highlighting all of the works and the success of Operation Sindoor. Nari Shakti mainly has been the message that has now gone across. So for Women Empowerment Conference, the Prime Minister partaking as far as these events are also concerned, and all of these programs that are now taking place in Bhopal in the presence of the top leadership of the BJP government. And during this event, the Prime Minister also inaugurating key infrastructure projects as well. So we are standing by for the Prime Minister's address as he's on stage. He's being felicitated. Chief Minister Mohan Yadav also present there, and he has said that this visit of the Prime Minister is dedicated to Maharani Ahilya Bai, and through the Maharani they want to fulfill our resolve of women empowerment. And this is the message that has gone across from the Prime Minister, where he says that he is running the administration on the path that has been shown by Maharani Ahilya Bai. Sabyasachi, we are awaiting as far as the Prime Minister's address is concerned, but majorly, as we can see and spot, we can only see women who are said to be majority in the audience today.
Well, that's right. In fact, the Minister from Madhya Pradesh, Krishna Gaur, also highlighted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit in Bhopal, and it will be a symbolic participation of women in Madhya Pradesh ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Bhopal for the 300th birth anniversary celebration of Lokmata Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar. And in fact, the minister also pointed out that the whole of Madhya Pradesh, especially the women of the state, are waiting for Prime Minister. And today will be a historic day. And after the success of Operation Sindoor, women's confidence in Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the government has increased. And today, by wearing Sindoor saris, women are paying respect to our armed forces and Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Absolutely. And continue speaking to us, Sabyasachi, on stage as far as the Operation Sindoor success is also concerned. The Prime Minister, all of these visits in the last 2 to 3 days that we have seen, a stern message to Pakistan has also been going across. But as far as today's program is concerned, because it is also connected to women empowerment, Operation Sindoor automatically gets connected.
Well, that's right. We are seeing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi not only talks about women empowerment, but also shows it by doing. And this program is being organized on the 30th birth anniversary of Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar. And the women of Madhya Pradesh are definitely going to get a lot of power due to which they will continue to progress in their life. In fact, several of the ministers from the Madhya Pradesh government are also present. In fact, they have hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for Operation Sindoor, and that is the reason why thousands and thousands of women have gathered at the spot to get a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and all of them are awaiting the public address of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this historic day.
All right. As far as respects that are also being paid by the Prime Minister on the 300th birth anniversary of Ahilya Bai Holkar, and this event that is also, Sabyasachi, said to be a culmination of this several month-long campaign that was also carried out by the state BJP government in Madhya Pradesh, especially when it comes to showcasing the governance skills.
Well, that's right.
All right, getting our reporters connected back with us, but mainly as far as women that can be seen in Sinduri colored saris as well that have gathered at the Jamburi Maidan, warmly welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So we are just standing by for his address. In the meantime, we head into a short break.